Today, I'm going to show you how to import video in Premiere Pro. But before we dive into importing video, I would also like to show you how to set up a project file in Premiere Pro. To set up a project file in Premiere Pro, all you need to do is to come to this new project button, or go to File menu here, navigate to New, and then click on Project. Okay, so I will click on New Project button here, and that will take me to where I can set up my project file. The first thing I need to do here is to name my project. You can name your project whatever name you want. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will name this Premiere Tutorial. Premiere Tutorial. Okay. Next is location. Location is where you want the project to be saved. Already the system have choose a location, an Adobe folder in our document where this project will be saved. Okay. But if you have a desired location of your own where you want your own project to be saved, all you need to do is to click on this browse button, and that will take you to where you can choose your desired storage. Okay. Next is capture format. When you load Premiere Pro for the first time, what you have here is TV. So we will need to change it to HTV. The rest are default setting and we don't need to change them. Okay. Then click on this OK button. Boom. Premiere Pro have launched an interface where we can comment our project. Okay. And they are panel by panels. We have one here. This is another panel here. This is another one here, another one here. We have this one here, and we also have this one here. Let's quickly mention those panels with their function. The first one here is called source panel. Source panel is where you preview your video and pick a particular portion that you want to work with. Okay, what I mean is, assuming you have a very large video and you don't want to move this video into your timeline and begin to cut here and there, you just want to preview it and pick a particular portion that you want to work with. This is where you can do all that. Okay, come down here is our project panel. Project panel is like a storage that house all the video file that we import in Premiere Pro. Okay, come down to this side is our tools panel. Tools panel is the one that contains all the tools we are using in Premiere Pro. I mean the selection tools, the eraser tools, the pen tools, hand tools, and the rest. This is where you can find them. Then come down to this side is our timeline. Timeline is where the editing is taking place. You want to cut video, you want to match two video together, you want to add effect, you want to add color. This is where you can do all that. Okay. Then to this side is our audio meter. Audio meter is where you view the level of your audios when a video is being played in Premiere Pro. Okay. Down to this side is our program panel. Program panel is where you visualize whatever you are doing on your timeline. Okay. I normally call it TV panel because that is where I visualize whatever I'm doing on my timeline. I hope this is clear, right? Let's quickly dive into the topic of the day, which is importing video in Premiere Pro. To import video in Premiere Pro, all you need to do is to come down to this project panel here, okay, where you have import media to start. What you need to do here is to right click on this empty space and then click on import. And that will take you to where you have all your video. Or you double click and that will also give you the same result. You can as well go to your file menu here and then come down to import and click on it. That will also take you to where you have all your video. Okay, so to import video now, all you need to do is to double click Okay, and that have taken me to where I have all my videos, as you can see them now. Okay, let's assume that this is a particular video that I want to import. All I need to do is to select the video, just like this. Okay, and then click on open button here. Boom. Then I have the video now in my project panel, as you can see it now. Okay. The other way you can import video is to open up the folder that contain your video. Okay. My video, I have all my video in this footage folder here, as you can see them now. So all I need to do here now is to pick a particular video that I want to import, okay, and then drag it into my project panel here. Boom. I have the video that drag in my project panel now, as you can see here. Okay. You can as well import multiple video, okay, at the same time. All you need to do is to come down to this project panel, open up your folder here where you have all your videos, and then select the numbers of video that you want to import at the same time, just like this, and then click on open button here. Boom. So I have all the video on my project panel now, as you can see all of them. Okay. So at this stage now, you can begin to move your video into your timeline for editing, as you can see it right now. Okay. So basically, this is how you can import video into Premiere Pro. I hope this is very clear. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.